Hey, several years ago, I used to buy a drink at a local grocery store. It was called Jogging In A Jug. It was an apple cider drink, and it really seemed like it pepped you up because there's so many different health benefits from using apple cider vinegar. And this is the Bragg's. It does have the mother in there. That drink has been out of circulation for several years, but I went looking online and I found a recipe to make my own. So I'm wanting this tonic to see if I can gain some health benefits from the vinegar. Okay. We've got 6 ounces of apple cider vinegar. Now guys, have you ever tasted apple cider vinegar just by itself? It's bad. I'm not going to go through the whole big spiel of drinking a big bunch of it, but it's sour. So let's see how bad of a face I can make. Yeah, it don't taste good at all. It's better when it's colder. Whew. But hey, it's good for you. Okay, so I've got that in there. I have some 100% grape juice and some 100% apple juice. Don't matter what brand you use, just that it's 100%. I got these actually from school. They were giving them out for the summer break. So this is a good way to utilize these. Do you guys take herbal medicine, vinegar? Do you take supplements, garlic? If you do, let me know in the comments. I'm going to dump this in there right quick. This would have fit in a quart jar, folks, but I was afraid to try. So I figure it'd be better to go bigger than to make a fool of myself on camera, because I'm really good at that anyway. 2 more of these. You know, I probably should have done this before I got on camera. But I know some of you people would be totally disappointed if there wasn't a blooper reel on almost every video. So, there we go. Alright, it's all mixed up. And I am going to rinse this out. And I'm going to measure it so I don't have any... it ain't going to hurt to have a little extra apple cider vinegar, guys. I'm going to pour my 2 ounces out. Just a little bit more. You're supposed to drink 2 ounces a day. So, see, there we go. Pour it in a little jelly jar, and I do smell the vinegar, but I smell more grape juice than anything, so here we go. There's still a little sour taste from the vinegar, but nothing like what it was before. And I know all this is healthy, so hey, here's to having better health. Thanks for watching. Hope you try this. Let me know if you do. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if it helps you. And I'll see you on the next video.